In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your Outlook QR code. Whether you're trying to set up Outlook on a new mobile device or just seeking a more convenient way to access your emails, obtaining a QR code can streamline the process. So, let's dive right in and explore this simple step-by-step method to generate your Outlook QR code. First, you'll want to begin by opening Outlook on your computer. If you haven't already signed in, you'll need to do so with your usual account credentials. Now, take note of the layout. You'll notice that the Outlook interface is designed to be user-friendly, making navigation straightforward. Once you're inside, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. Here, you'll see a gear icon, which represents your settings menu. Go ahead and click on this icon. Opening the settings is a crucial action that allows us to access the more intricate options of Outlook. Having clicked the gear icon, a drop-down or sidebar menu will appear, offering a variety of settings. Within this menu, you'll need to find and click on Account. This option brings you to your account settings, where you can manage different aspects of your Outlook experience, such as security settings, linked devices, and more. In this window, locate and select the option for mobile devices. It's here that we begin to bridge the gap between your Outlook account and your mobile technology. By selecting mobile devices, you are preparing the account for access through new pathways, like a mobile app. Next, you'll see an option titled Get the Outlook app. This is the step that directly facilitates the generation of a QR code. Clicking on this will not only encourage the integration of Outlook on your mobile device, but will also produce a QR code specifically tied to your Outlook account. After you click on Get the Outlook app, the QR code will be generated. Ensure to have your mobile device ready. With the QR code displayed on your screen, open your camera or QR code scanning app on your phone and simply scan the code. This will typically take you directly to the App Store, where you can download the Outlook app if you haven't done so already, or it will begin the process of configuring the app with your credentials. And there you have it, a straightforward method to get your Outlook QR code, enabling a seamless transition from your computer to your mobile device. By following these steps, you ensure you'll have easy, convenient access to your emails anytime, anywhere. So go ahead, give it a try, and enjoy the flexibility that comes with having Outlook on the go. Thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.